What's up guys, your boy Marcon. Today we will be talking about Shiba Inu and the massive collaboration they have with Binance. Whether it's good or bad, all of that. But before we start the video, I'd love to ask if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, like this video as it helps out the channel tremendously, helps this video get out to more, helps us meet new people to get them to join our Shiba army. So Shiba army, are you ready for this one? Today, let's actually go ahead and start off on CoinMarketCap. If you guys haven't watched my earlier video on SafeMoon, if the Shiba army even likes SafeMoon, we know that the market is starting to correct a bit. 2 days ago, there's some fun in the marketplace. I had in that video, we had a general update on the crypto market. So take a look at that one. Even if you're against SafeMoon, there's some news in there, some updates in there, and some bullish factors for the entire crypto market as a whole, which will definitely contribute to Shiba Inu. But we're definitely seeing some bullish momentum coming back in, as we just see a crazy dip about 2 days ago. 7 days, Bitcoin is fully recovered. Ethereum has recovered. Binance is still in the recovery phase, still down 8% on the week, but 2% for 24 hours, which is not bad. Cardano, XRP, similar boat as Binance, not as down, but generally speaking, we have some good days to come. Now Shiba Inu is up today. They're on their 24 hours. Let's actually see, I believe it's up 2%. Open up Shiba Inu, we see it's up 1.69%, and we open it up on a 7-day, guys. We see 2 days ago the whole crypto market was kind of crashing. Everybody was freaking out, not knowing what's going to happen. Is it going to be similar to what happened a couple months ago, where we're going to lose 40% overnight? But thankfully it recovered quick. The B word conference was obviously definitely great for the crypto market, brought some hope in, but again, that with hope and fear, and it just tricks a lot of people, because we don't know if we're yet going to enter another bear market or if we're going to enter a bull market. I personally think that a bull market is still yet to come before we go back into the bear market, as there's a lot of fear, which just creates lots of buying opportunity for us, the investors. But guys, please remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and your own due diligence before investing. But generally speaking, we're seeing Shiba Inu back on an upwards trend. Hopefully we will see some soon beating its previous all-time highs, even after that big dump. And if you guys don't know what that is, you're gonna have to watch some of the older videos, because we're not gonna get into that right now. But Shiba Inu is now going to have the Shiba Swap paired with Binance. So lock liquidity. Staking is now available on Binance. Now guys, you guys been wondering, Umar, if we're so excited for Shiba Swap, and Shiba Swap is here and active and live now, why would we go over to Binance? Well guys, this is still great for Shiba Inu, because it just brings more people into the Shiba Inu community. There's some people who may not trust ShibaSwap, but they trust Binance, so they will stake on Binance. There's pros and cons here, but generally speaking, this is a good thing. It's just general awareness, and hopefully when people reap some rewards from Binance, they'll move over to ShibaSwap, where there's some more attractive APYs. Okay, now continue on Twitter, we see from Binance, they actually posted this. So SHIB token special Binance staking launches. SHIB staking activities, enjoy up to 32% APY and win saving vouchers and SHIB rewards. So SHIB up to 33% APY. Now there are some terms and conditions here, which you take a look on the website, but generally speaking, that is it's generally like a good APY, and it could be an opportunity for some people to reap those rewards. And you're gonna have to go over to Binance, and you're gonna have to read this whole paper here, where it just shows you for 15 days you have to maximum lock 30 million to get that 33%, and then for 5,000 million it's a little bit less, for 1,000 million it's a little bit less, and a little bit more, sorry, and then for 500 million SHIB it is a little bit more. So generally speaking, this is actual breakdown for the duration, for the amount you're gonna have to stake, and then what the interest rate will be returned to you by. There's a maximum lock, a minimum lock. All minimum is 1 million, and the maximum obviously varies depending on how long you're staking it. Now guys, the difference between the Shiba Swap and the Binance staking is going to be, when you lock it in for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, it will be locked. You cannot touch it, meaning if it dips, you won't be able to close out. If it goes up and you want to cash out, you won't be able to. It will be locked for a set amount of days, which could be, it's fine if you're in it to win it, but some people like to have that option. Versus on ShibaSwap, you could unstake it instantaneously. So that is generally what we're seeing here, which guys, in my opinion, this is actually good for Shiba Inu. The fact that we're seeing it on coming onto Binance, and it's already been listed, and this is just another pairing, again, because now Binance is it's a huge brand of itself, over 4.5 million followers, which are now going to be seeing this essentially. Right, we have over 2,000 retweets, and even with the Shiba Inu's post, over 2,000 retweets. So there's people seeing this. There's definitely, the Shiba army is strong. This is just going to be general good news for Shiba Inu and ShibSwap. Now, if you guys want to stake and earn on ShibSwap, we covered in this past before, but if you come to the Shiba Inu website, use ShibSwap, it will redirect you to the ShibSwap website, ShibSwap.com, and then we see there are some APYs to here as well. So if you want to do some, so if you are interested in staking, you just come here, connect your wallet, and there's a ton of stuff you can mess around with. We made a dedicated video in the past, but that's essentially what's happening here. So this, in my opinion, guys, this is generally good news because we're just gonna see more volume and more people invest in Shiba Swap, more people holding it, and generally it's just gonna be great for liquidity. It's gonna be great for the floor price, and overall great news for Shiba Inu coin. Now, guys, there is some breaking news with Shiba Inu coin, potentially a new coin coming out, which we will cover soon once I get a little bit more details. Stay tuned for that. Maybe we'll get it out tonight, if not tomorrow morning. But guys, Shiba Inu could potentially have another bullish run, a lot of bullish momentum around this. The crypto market is doing just so well right now. Even though it's down, it's just a great time for us to buy. I've been buying every time it dips and just earning some nice solid returns. So make sure you guys are getting into the game. Now, that's basically for this video, folks. If you want to stay tuned with the latest and greatest Shiba Inu updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as you know your boy covers it here first. That's basically it for this video, folks. If you enjoy content like this, do make sure you like it, share it with a friend, and as always, guys, please do your own research, your own due diligence, as this is not investment advice. That's it for this video, folks. Remember, only invest the money you're willing to lose. It's your boy Omar. Peace.